So our biggest thing that we really do here, of course, is outreach and education, but we also do a good amount of actual scientific work, not just here at the lake, but around the wetlands as well, doing all sorts of experiments with water, with river foliage and plants and other animals as well. So just that we are kind of a jack of all trades here. We do a little bit of everything to try and improve the environment, not just here, but in San Marcos, but also throughout all Edwards Aquifer associated areas.
First time I visited this area was in 1982, but I hadn't been since 1982 because at the time it was still part of Ocarina Springs, the amusement park, so this is much more educational, which I prefer. Summer, do something fun, but then just get a little education at the same time.
The Meadows Center is a non-for-profit that is based in Dallas, in Texas, and they made a transformative donation to Texas State University in 2011-2012, and at that point they actually became a department here at Texas State University, and they took over conservatorship and stewardship of the lake, and they are an organization that is concerned with fomenting research projects here and further afield as well. So the lake itself isn't all that the Meadows Center does. The Meadows Center is also involved in projects that occur down in the Gulf of Mexico as well. We send people also to underdeveloped countries in order to help with water issues there. So it's kind of broad-based what we do, and international in scope, not just local.
We've had these springs basically bringing life and allowing life to thrive here in Central Texas. We do have quite a bit of endangered species and other really cool animals, such as the salamanders specifically. Those are the two biggest ones. In 1977, we had a team of archaeologists led by Dr. Joel Shiner. They came into this area, and their big mission was to find out how long people had been living in Central Texas. So the oldest artifact they found was a spear point, about yay big, 13,000 years old, and essentially it allowed the researchers to say that this area is one of the longest continuously inhabited places by man in North America.
My favorite thing about working here, driving the boats. Driving the boats is awesome. I actually work full-time at the high school, and I worked full-time here for 2 years, back in 2013 to 2015. But I come here in the summer times to work part-time to drive boats. And being on that water and introducing people to the Great Lady, as we like to call her, is my main joy in coming to work here and just being out there and talking about the history of this place, the archaeology of this place, the unique nature and quality of these waters. It's so amazing, you know? There's no place else like it in the entire world.